Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Our today's amazing assignment is based on the concept geometry, and for this you can refer our textbook page numbers 107 to 109. Okay, let's start our today's session. Our first question is, take the symmetrical shapes and draw their lines of symmetry. Cross out any figure that cannot be divided into two equal halves. If you are able to divide a figure into two equal halves by using a line of symmetry, then that figure is known as symmetrical figure. If you are not able to divide a figure into exactly two equal halves, then that figure is not symmetrical. Okay, let us look at the given figures. First one is this, there are circles, right? If you divide this figure anywhere, then you have to get two equal halves. Okay, let me divide this with a line. If I'll divide this figure exactly here, are you able to have a look at two equal halves on both sides? Yes, exactly, it was divided into two equal halves. So this line is called line of symmetry. Take the symmetrical shape. So we need to take this as this is the symmetrical shape, right? Let's do that one. And second one, B bit. Wherever you can draw a symmetrical line, there if you are able to divide that figure into two equal halves, then only you can say that that figure is symmetrical. Is it possible here? This side triangle looks small and this is somehow different, right? So both sides are not equal if I'll divide with this line. Let me check horizontal line also. Is it possible? No. Even then I am not getting two equal halves, right? So they are not symmetrical lines, either vertical or horizontal. Both are not line of symmetry, right? So this figure is not symmetrical, right? This figure is not symmetrical. Cross out any figure that cannot be divided into two equal halves. So I have crossed this figure. Okay. What about the third one? If you observe the third one, can you divide this figure here so that you can have a look at two equal halves? Yes, I can, right? Let me divide exactly so that you can have a look at two equal halves. Both sides, it looks the same, right? So this is called vertical line of symmetry, right? Now I am going to take one more line like this. Can you able to have a look at two equal halves on top and bottom side, right? Both sides, it looks same. So vertical line of symmetry and horizontal line of symmetry, these are for this figure. What can you say? You can say that this figure is symmetrical and these are two lines of symmetries for that particular figure. Okay. So you can clearly conclude that this figure is symmetrical. Okay children? Right. Let's do the next one. Take the figures that are divided into two equal halves. Which figure is divided into equal halves? Here you have divided, right? Already there is a symmetrical line. You just observe that symmetrical line and that figure, and you have to give the conclusion that whether that is symmetrical or not. If you observe the first one, it is a symmetrical line or not. Here only two steps are there this side and here also two, but they are on the top and here they are at the bottom, right? So is it symmetrical? No. because there is no symmetrical line for this figure. By dividing with this line, you are not able to see into two equal halves. This figure is not divided into two equal halves by dividing with this symmetrical line. So this is not symmetrical figure, right? Let us go to the second one. Here it is a cricket bat. If you are able to divide with this symmetrical line, then can you see two equal halves on both sides for that particular line? No, because it is having handle this side and it doesn't have, and this is curved surface, right? So this is not symmetrical line for this particular figure. The figure was not exactly divided into two equal halves with this symmetrical line. If you go to the last pic, here it is symmetrical line, because if you take this line, right? Clearly observe, children, there are two equal halves on both sides. This is exactly a symmetrical line for this pic. You can say that this figure is divided into two equal halves. Right? Okay, children, like this you have to divide the figures into two halves, or else if symmetrical line was given means you have to conclude that whether that figure is symmetrical or not using that particular line. Okay, let's move to the next question. Next one, complete each figure to make it symmetrical. See here, one side figure was given and you have to complete the other side, right? Let us complete the other side of this figure. Okay, how will you complete, children? First you take the inner line, okay, and then you take outer line also. No, this is not exact, right? Let's do it again. Okay, right. Now you take the inner one also. And again complete the bottom one, and here also you have to complete like this. Okay, children, right. What else we need to complete? We need to complete the square. Okay, here also one horizontal line, and then we will draw one vertical line like this to complete the figure. Okay, right. Both looks the same? Yes. So you are right. This is line of symmetry and this is horizontal line of symmetry, vertical line of symmetry for this particular figure. Draw exactly the same figure on the other side. Okay, right. Next one, nature is full of patterns. Some natural objects or creatures are symmetrical too. Look around, observe and draw any three natural things that are symmetrical. See, in your surroundings or in nature you find out or you identify some pictures or some creatures, right? They may be identical, they may be symmetrical. Those symmetrical figures you identify and then you draw them here. And also draw their lines of symmetry. Does any of the items drawn below have more than one line of symmetry? After finding such type of creatures or some natural objects, try to draw them here and then divide that picture into two equal halves by using a symmetrical line. Okay. Any of the items drawn below have more than one line of symmetry. How many lines of symmetry are there for that particular picture? You have to write it down. Okay, children, this is your turn. Try to complete this task. Okay, identify some natural objects or creatures which are symmetrical in nature. Those objects you have to take any three natural things. Any three natural things you can consider and you can draw. Also divide that picture into two equal halves with a symmetrical line. Okay children, hope you understood the session. Thank you.